Welcome to C++ Chapter 2 Examples Part 3. And this is example 2-21. In this example, we're showing how we can use line comments to put comments after runnable code. So here we have a bunch of variables that are declared here, and then to the right we see line comments that describe what each variable's purpose is. Okay, we'll go ahead and run this. Again, this calculates what the wages are for the week here. This also shows the different calculations that we can do. The asterisk is multiplication, and then we have addition here. 2-22, here we calculate percentages. So here we are multiplying our monthly pay rate and calculating 5, 7, and 10%. So you can see that you have to multiply it by 0.05, 0.07, and 0.1 to get 5, 7, and 10% respectively. Okay, we'll go ahead and run that, and you see what the percentage values are there. Example 2-23. Here we show you how to apply a discount based on percentage. So here we take 20% of the price of the item, and then we subtract that calculated discount. Again, here you see the price of the item. 20% is $11.99, and then we finally have your final sale price. 2-24. In this example, we show you how to use the Modulus Operator to get the rightmost digit. So here, if you divide the number by 10, this returns the remainder, which gives you what the last rightmost digit is. So here it should return 5. There you go. There we have our 5. Example 2-25. Here we're using the Modulus Operator again. Here we're doing integer division to get the number of minutes. So it should be 120. Sorry, it should be 2 minutes. It's divided by 60. And then here we get the remainder, which is the number of seconds left over, which is going to be 5 seconds. There you go. 125 seconds is 2 minutes, 5 seconds. Example 2-26. Again, this is showing different kinds of commenting that you can do in your program. So here we have line comments up at the top. It's a lot of detail and when it was last modified. And again, we have line comments at the end of each line to describe what the purpose of each variable is. And again, we leave the rest out because we want to focus on the comments here. Two 27. Again, it's not very different. I'm trying to see what the difference is in here. Oh, multi-line comments. In C++, multi-line comments are denoted by a / asterisk, and they're ended by asterisk /. You can also use multi-line comments on one line like this if you end the comment with the asterisk /. But as you can see, if you have a single line comment, it's more convenient to use the double slashes because then you don't have to end the comment. With multi-lines, you have to end it with the asterisk /. Example 2-8. Here we discuss constants. By convention, constants we usually make all uppercase so that we can visually tell the difference between a constant and a variable. So here we declare two constants for pi and the diameter. Pi is 3.14159 and diameter is 10. Here we use our constants in our declaration. Now in C++, you declare a constant with the const keyword, and that what happens there is once you initialize it, you have to initialize the constant when you declare it, and then it cannot be changed throughout the life of the program. Example 2-29. Here this shows a very messy C++ program, but actually this is actually a runnable C++, because if I go ahead and run it, it does output, it does run and compile. Now 2-30 shows you the same program, but here with the proper spacing to make it a little more human readable. So again, you can see this is the same output as the previous program. So all the white space isn't necessary, but visually to make the program more maintainable, that's why you put all the proper indentation and the white spacing between lines. Makes it easier to read and easier to maintain the program.